Guys, holy shit. Alright guys, so welcome back. It's a new day. And last time I posted a video about my Lexus, the turbo kit was not complete. I didn't have hardly anything. But yeah, I got a new turbo, as you can see. I got an intercooler kit. Well, I got an intercooler from a friend, and I bought piping online. You know, some of the oil lines, like the feed, and tapped my oil pan for the return. I don't know if you can really see it. Oh, there we go. Kind of see it. But yeah, started making my downpipe already. Got my wideband, got my O2 sensor, got my screamer pipe, and everything is plumbed, as you can tell. And you know, for tuning purposes, for temporary till I can afford to get a standalone, I went ahead and I got an SAFC, which they work really well. People say they're terrible in these cars, but I haven't had any issues, and I'm still on stock injector, stock fuel system, and it's running really good. My AFRs, which I got an AEM wideband right there, and everything's in check, really. I actually had a Gretty boost gauge from my Skyline still, running about 0.5 bar, which is about 7.5 psi. I'm not trying to blow the damn thing up, even though I do have GTE internals in the block, so I mean I should be good for some pretty good amounts of boost. But you know, just got it on, and even though it's running good right now, it's only been boosted for about 5 hours, so I'm gonna give it some time and make sure everything, you know, checks out and it keeps running good. And you know, eventually I'm gonna get bigger injectors, bigger fuel pump, get a rising rate fuel pressure regulator, so I can run some more boost and I'll make more power. But as of right now, it feels insane. So yeah, you know, just kind of figured I'd give you guys a little bit of an update on this thing. And yeah, so thank you for watching this short video, and I hope you enjoyed it. And if you haven't already, subscribe, hit the like button, and we will see you guys in the next video.